This is going to be the first time I've used my mud mixer. I've never used one before, so let's figure this out. Well, this is it. Today's the day. This is my first use of a mud mixer. I've never used one before. Up until 2 days ago, I'd never even touched one. So we've got a small little project here. It's actually going to go all the way down, but I do things in sections. So I've got this one section here all prepped and ready to go. I have my concrete lined up here, my Saccrete 60-pound bags lined up and ready to go. I did the math on it. I need 12 bags. So I brought 14 over, and hopefully I won't have to go back and get a couple more. I mean, they're just on the trailer over there, but I want this to go nice and smooth since it's my first time. So with all that being said, let's get to work. How this actually works. Now, it doesn't have an adjustable Did I miss anything? There you go. What was that? 3.5 minutes to clean it up. So, I'm happy. What can I say?
Okay.
Well, there you go. We started at 5:06, and it's 5:32. And watch the cat. Watch the cat. Is the cat going to get in the concrete? Oh, no, I wanted her to.
No. Get.
Okay, well, you know, that was the excitement of my day right there. Okay, so like I said, we started at 5:06. Basically at 5:30, we were done. We were moving the machine over, and we got a clean out spot there. We're just gonna clean the machine out there. And it's mixed, it's poured. And we still gotta finish it. But the hard part's done. And there you go. So that was our first experience with our mud mixer. The wife had to jump in. So these claims that this is a one-person machine, the machine is actually too fast for one person. Even, I've got the hopper extension, but that would have just delayed the running around. So the wife had to jump in and help me out because, like I said, the machine was just too fast. Did I do a perfect job? Nope. Did I make progress? Yes.